Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. So in the previous video we have successfully added time ago feature in our application. So now in this video we will add over likes of particular post. So when user click on like button, over likes will added according to this post and according to particular user. So let's get started. First of all, inside this load post we will set a click listener on this like button. So folder dot set on click listener, folder dot like image dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, now first of all we will read the data according to this post. Either user already like or dislike this post. If user already like the post, then we have to remove that like. If user did not perform any task on this like button, then we need to add like according to this post and according to that particular user. So first of all we will read the data. So for this we need to create the reference. So here we will create the like reference. So here is database reference. Here we will create the like reference. And we need to initialize it. So here we will initialize it. Just duplicate this line and change it like ref, and here we will add likes. So we will use this reference to read the data like ref. So inside this on click listener we will use this reference dot child. Now here we need the id of that particular post. So how we can get the id of that particular post? So here we will create string post key and get ref, and here we need to pass the position dot get key. This will return us the id of that particular post. So here we will use this post and press alt enter to make it final. Okay, now again we will add child, and here we need to add the id of that particular user dot get uid. Okay, now we call the method add value even listener. So make sure you have select this one, add listener for single value even listener, otherwise your application will not work properly. So use this one and new value even listener. So here we will check if data snapshot is already exist. So snapshot dot exist. If data is already exist mean user already like this post, then we have to remove that like. So like ref dot child, and need to pass the post key dot child, and here we will pass the user id m user dot get uid dot remove value. Okay, now here we need to change the color of like button. So folder dot like image dot set color filter. So color dot gray, and we call the method notify dataset change. Okay, in else condition we will use same methods. So copy it and paste it inside this else condition, and we need to remove this method remove value, and here we will add set value. So here we will pass any string. Let's say I type here like, and we need to change the color into green. Okay, in else condition we will show a toast message because our data is not fetched due to network problem. So error dot get message. Okay, now run the application and open our database. Okay, our application is successfully running. So let's click on this like button. Here you can see color of this like button is changed, and also you can see in database this is over post id and this is over user id and this is like. So let's click on Here you can see I click it again, and here you can see over post likes is deleted. Okay, now let's click on this post, and let's click on another post. Here you can see now I like on two posts. You can see there are two posts are available in this likes. So in the next video we will calculate over likes. So in the next video we will calculate the likes on every post when we open our application. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel.